Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Donna and today I'm gonna teach you how to make super healthy, delicious, easy, my all-time favorite breakfast chia and flaxseed pudding with dried fruits and nuts and a banana made with kefir. It's super easy to make, very delicious, and did I mention healthy? Very, very healthy. I make this breakfast pretty much 3-4 times a week because it's so easy to make. When I get up before I go to do my workout, I prep everything. I put all those ingredients together, which I'm gonna do right now. About 1 cup of kefir, and kefir is a great probiotic. It's also a great source of calcium and iron, and good when you are over 50, which I'm kind of reaching. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, also amazing ingredient. It translates as strength, and it's packed with fiber, good for your digestion and gut health. Also packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which is also good for your brain and heart health. Also packed with calcium and iron, super good. I'm gonna also add ground flax seeds, also good for your digestion and gut health, good for your brain and lower your cholesterol. I'm also gonna add some cashews here. You can add any nuts that you have, and I have prunes, also great for your digestion and also gives nice flavor, nice sweetness to our pudding. I'm gonna add half a banana to that. I'm just gonna kind of break it into smaller pieces here, just like that. And then I'm gonna just shake it. Anything else? Am I forgetting something? I have all the mise en place, I think, here. So I'm not gonna do anything. I'm not gonna even stir. So just shake that and let it soak for 30 minutes because I want the chia seeds to expand and absorb all the moisture, so it becomes like kind of puddingy consistency. I also want the prunes to become like softer so that after I blend it, it's easy to blend, and nuts gonna also be like kind of give the like smoothie consistency. So this is it. This is pretty much all the prep. I'm gonna leave it in the fridge. I'm gonna go to the pool. When I come back, I will blend, and that will be my breakfast. You can top it with more fresh fruit, like strawberries are in season now, strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. So anything you have or anything you like, and enjoy. I am back from the pool. So we're gonna see how our chia and flaxseed pudding looks like and have our meal, which is pretty much, I don't know, brunch or lunch or whatever you call it. Well, I started pretty late because I was at St. John's Cathedral Divine, St. John the Divine, for summer solstice. And Paul Winter was playing there. So I was up like at 3:30, I went there at 4, and I came back like at 7. And then I took a nap, so I got up like kind of late. All right, so this is how it looks. I'm gonna blitz that. I want prunes to puree, also the bananas, and if I grind the chia seeds, it will be easy to digest too. So that's gonna have like more pudding consistency, like thicker consistency. And we need a bowl. Let's use this bowl. I like to make it here, but then it's so hard to clean this. And I hate to waste it because, you know, 2-3 tablespoons, I don't want to waste that. It's a lot of food. And then if you have more fresh fruit, like strawberries or blueberries or raspberries, any fruit that you like, you can top that. And this is actually enough for a meal, for breakfast. That's gonna keep you satisfied for 3-4 hours. That's what it does, because it has all the like nutrients and calcium and iron and all good stuff. So cheers. Sometimes I add also cocoa powder, which makes it really chocolatey, puddingy, super delicious. Cinnamon is good too. Any spices that you like, pretty much. Very, very good. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like it, and see you guys next week. Ciao.